HD here. We're gonna install AquaVanta Pro Proportioning system on this truck, and also we have to put the inner in this reel right here, but not really the inner, just the rods. The customer said the rods fell out, so we're just gonna put new rods in there, and it's gonna be should be a pretty quick job, but you never know what will happen. But that's what we're gonna do today. Alright, so we're gonna install the rod for the reel because there's only one left in there, so we're gonna install 3 of them. So let's see the process. So we're done with it. This is what we're looking like. And the way we hooked or set our proportioner up, you can always see your flow or labels at the top. Our labels at the top also, so you can always see your flow. If you're getting any bubbles, if you see any air leaks, so that's it. This setup is just water and chlorine, water and chlorine. And then these are the old valves. So we're all done. We hooked the proportioning valves up. can always get the valves online, the setup online, and this video will explain how to set it up, so you can always refer back to this video how to put these valves on. Don't forget to check the website out at AquaVantaPro.com, and you can get almost all the soft wash items. You can check the accessories. You'll see the valves, the proportioner, the manifolds. You'll see quick connects, like if you're not using a big machine, you just bought like a Ryobi or something like that, we have the conversion kit for it to convert to a regular 3/8 quick connect and all that stuff. But there's more stuff coming to the site. Just stay tuned for it. Signing out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and send us to 1,000 subscriber, 100 subscriber, whatever we get to first, and I will thank you guys for it all the time.